All right. We have discussed the paint box about the title and the poem in the previous class. Today we'll do the line by line explanation about the same. Okay. Just Lavina has sent me the colors. None of you take took the liberty, took the initiative that if ma'am has given us a task, we should find out what colors are they. Anyone else who has done this, who has find out the colors? I know Lavina has because she has sent me also. Yes, Shifa, did you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me which color is?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, amber, ultramarine, ivory black, emerald green, crimson, white,
बच्चे the homework
blue,
book.
and purple.
See, which color is this cobalt? If I talk about cobalt, which is the cobalt color? Anyone who can tell me which color is cobalt? Okay, Shifa took it as a wrong understanding, maybe, but at least she did the homework. She tried. The first word is cobalt. What is cobalt? All right, let me just quickly show you. Cobalt and umber and ultramarine, ivory black and emerald green. These all are the names of the color. What shall I paint to give pleasure to you? Now the poet is asking, and there is another person who is giving the answers. So this is a conversation between two people. So he's asking that what shall I paint? What should the painter paint so that the other person gets a pleasure, that he enjoys it. Paint for me somebody utterly new. Utterly new means something that is amazingly new, that nobody has seen. Utterly means absolutely, completely. That is completely new. Cobalt, I'll show you the colors before going further. Cobalt, umber, and ultramarine, right? Ultramarine color. Alright. If you could see my screen, I have the colors here. The first is cobalt. Cobalt is a lightish blue. A natural pigment of blue is cobalt. If you could see this one. This is cobalt, a blue shade of blue. Then we have umber. Umber is a shade of brown. And then ultramarine is a deep blue, a shade of a deep blue. All right. Now, ivory black is a darkish black, and emerald green is a very light green. I can show that also. Emerald is like a waterish green, waterish green. Just a minute. Okay, I'm sharing my screen already. Which screen was I'm sharing? Alright, this is emerald green. Crimson is a shade of red. Crimson. You can see a shade of red like a blood. Crimson is also referred to blood. Clear with the colors 6th. Yes, diamond also you can say. So, what is the poet, the painter is saying that which color should I use? Cobalt and amber and ultramarine, ivory black and emerald green. What shall I paint to give pleasure to you? Then the person says, paint for me somebody altery new. Now what he is saying that he wants something absolutely, completely new. I have painted you tigers in crimson and white. Now the painter is saying that he has painted the tigers in which colors? Red and white. And what is the actual color of the tigers? 6th, anyone? What are the actual colors of a tiger? Yes, Ujjwal?
Then yellow and black strips.
Yes, yellow and black strips are the usual colors of the tigers, whereas a painter can paint anything with his imagination, right? So he has
Yes.
painted them. Sahil, can we stop playing and attend the class? Everyone switch on your cameras. And everything is being recorded. Sahil, I'll show this video of you playing under the blanket to your mother now. That's why you do not score marks. Everyone switch on your cameras. Alright. The colors were good and you painted all right. So the person for whom he has painted, he says, yes, the painting was good. I have painted the cook and the camel in blue and a panther in purple. You painted them true. Now what is the painter says that he has used different colors to depict different things. He has used his image. Rhythm, keep yourself muted. Yes. He has used his image to paint camel in blue and a panther. Panther is a fox type animal that is in black in color and he has painted purple. So he has done a different paintings for the person. Now mix me a color that nobody knows and paint me a country where nobody goes. Now what is the demand of the person that he wants a painting with the color that nobody knows. So we have to mix some colors and make something new that nobody has ever seen and a country and such a country where there is nobody has gone to that place. So he has to use his artistic imagination and put it in people a little like you watching a unicorn drinking the dew. Now, what is his imagination is saying the person imagination you can see in the picture also. Put the little people means like children, happy children there, and there must be a unicorn. Unicorn is an imagination of people. Fine, it is not found, so he wants a unicorn drinking the dew, drinking from the water in that area. Any doubt in this poem? This poem is very easy. Arshad, basic color that we have seen tigers is yellow and black. Tavishi, that is Yashpal. Okay, any doubt, anyone? Who's the poet? E.V. Ryu. So the word meanings will be utterly one. Do we have the meanings here? No. Okay, utterly. I don't find any other word. Do you need any other word, class 6A? Or we can leave the word meanings. Utterly means completely, lavish. Emerald, these are the colors. Panther is an animal. What meaning will you take out from this? Unicorn is again an animal. Yes, we can say dew. Okay. So two word meanings, dew and utterly. Fine. Dew means tiny drops of water. If I tell you the meaning lavish, what work will you do? Okay. Let's move to the question answers. A part. Find the names of 8 colors in the poem. Yes, Shifa.
Ma'am, the 8 colors in the poem are cobalt, amber,
Cobalt. Hmm.
cobalt,
Hmm.
amber,
Hmm.
ultramarine, ivory black, emerald green, uh, crimson, white,
Hmm.
blue, and
Hmm.
purple.
These are 9 colors.
So, ma'am, we
Okay,
can
any
leave cobalt.
8. Yes, yes. Any 8 colors you can write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I think crimson and white they have taken as one, but fine. They are both two different colors, so you can write them. Yes. Okay. How many people are speaking in this poem? Who are they? Yes, Lavina.
Ma'am, two people are speaking in this poem, the
Hmm.
poet and the speaker.
Oh, you can say the poet and the painter. Maybe the poet is asking that um, he is saying about the, you can say the sceneries that he want, right? If you see, this is a poem about that. In this poem, the speaker shows the endless possibilities of art and imagination, right? This is what I told you, that you have the painter has to use his imagination, his artistic imagination, to show anything that he wants. So two people are speaking in this poem. Poem is the wrong pronunciation. We follow British, so we call poem. Fine. And who are they? You can say the poet and the painter, or you can say the poet and the speaker. Anyway, both the answers are correct. Okay, why is the painter using the different colors to paint? Why is the painter using the different colors to paint? Yes, Priyanshi.
Ma'am, the painter is using different colors to paint because a painting with different colors look beautiful.
Very good. A painting with different colors look beautiful. What else, Yashpal?
Ma'am, painter use painter use different colors to find the uniqueness between all.
Repeat. Yashpal, your voice was breaking. Can you repeat your answer?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm.
speaker you speak. The poet used different colors to find the uniqueness between all.
Okay. Uniqueness between the all. Very good. So you can frame the answer on your own. But you have to use your imagination to tell why is the painter using different colors to paint. You painted them true. Who says this and what does it mean? Who says this and what does it mean? Come on, new hands. This is one of the easiest poem we have done till now, and still you are not answering. Yes, Lakshay.
Ma'am, the speaker is saying this, and it means that in the imagination that the speaker has told the poet, he has painted them true.
Very good. So who says the speaker is saying this, and what does it mean that the painter has painted whatever the speaker has asked him? If the panther can be in purple, then he is using his imagination that it is true that whatever the speaker has asked, the painter has drawn that. What does the speaker now ask the painter to paint? Yes, Tavishi? Yes, Tavishi. What does the speaker now ask the painter to paint? Okay, Priyanshi.
Ma'am, the poet says the painter to paint a country where nobody goes.
A country where nobody goes, um, or something that is, and with the colors, a country where nobody goes with the colors that nobody knows. With different colors, you can say, with new colors. Any doubt in A part? Okay. B part, think and answer. This you have to do on your own. Every answer would be different in this. In this, you will do only B, question number 2 and 3. One you can leave. We have already discussed n number of times that why this is strange, why this is using different colors to paint different animals. We have already discussed that. So B, question number 2 and 3. The painter is asked to paint people like you. What kind of a person do you think the painter is? So you have to write the characteristic of the painter. What do you think the painter is? Yes, Shruti? Okay, wait. Yes, Meg, you can write that also. Yes, Shifa? What kind of a person do you think the painter is? But the question is up to you. You have to think that what kind of person can a painter be? Anyone who wants to answer this question?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Yashpal.
Ma'am, the painter thinks unique than the other artist can use to make different kind of things and making them unique than other things.
Excellent. Unique. The word you can use for the painter is unique, different, imaginative, artistic. So these are the adjectives that you can use for this painter, right? Why do you think the new picture will be interesting? Do you think, first of all, tell me, do you think that the new picture will be interesting? If yes, then why? Yes, Priyanshi?
Ma'am, I wanted to answer the last question.
That's okay, but you write it in your notebook. I will check there. Let's not give all the ideas to the students. They will just copy them. Yes,
Ma'am,
Lakshay?
the new picture will be interesting because he will draw a painting that nobody knows and with different color.
Okay, nobody knows with different colors. Yes, Lakshay?
Ma'am, the picture will be interesting because the painter is a unique painter and he can draw different pictures with different colors.
Excellent, unique painter. So you just have to use your imagination that why you think this picture will be interesting. Make interesting answers. Just wait. Please write the answers in your notebook. I will read every answer, and the best answer we'll discuss in the class. So take it as a competition to make your answer interesting for B question, B part, second and third. Then appreciating the poem, you just had, we have discussed the rhyming scheme already. A, B, B. And then second point says imaginary. Imaginary, why? Because he has created something that we have not even think of, right? Like a tiger in white and red. Hmm? A panther that is generally in black, he has painted in purple. A camel in blue. So this is how imaginary works. Imagination of a poem of the poet works. Right? Any doubt in the poem now? Very simple.
Ma'am, I want to tell the last question's answer.
Yashpal, I told you, but you write the answers. Make your answers interesting in your notebook. Just don't think that we need the answers in the class. I told you the best answers that I find interesting will be discussed in the class. And please make sure your handwriting is good. I'm getting complaints from other teachers. 6th day is submitting the work, but the writing is not good. Siddharth, Lakshay, few names that I remember for handwriting. There are many other. Lavish. Please write beautifully. You have a lot of time at home. There is no urgency that in 10 minutes the class will get over and we have to finish. No, you have to make your own answers. Fine. Friday is the day for your submission of the vocabulary list 1 and 2. And every Tuesday class, every Tuesday you will have your dictation for the upcoming list. For example, we have done 1 and 2. Next Tuesday will be list 3 dictation. So I hope you will all remember and do not have to give you reminders. Basically, on Friday I'll leave a message on the Atlantic only that upcoming Tuesday dictation of this list. That's it. Fine. Anything anyone want to say or discuss about the poem or any dictation or vocabulary? Recorded class link is always sent on Atlantic. I'm not sending it on WhatsApp groups. Yes, Mehak, it is easy and very unique, interesting poem. All right, class then. Have a nice day. Please attend all your classes on time. Submit your work regularly. I was very happy when we started, but now again, the casual behavior is back. Do the work on time. If you have seen, many of you have got zeros in your notebook. Subject enrichment zeros. This time, more strict checking will be done. One work is left behind, minus. So, submit the work on time. All right, everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.